Hey y'all, I am back with another video. In this video, I am using the BH Cosmetics Do Not Disturb eyeshadow palette, and I'm trying for a colorful look. I did two different looks, so the first look is going to be colorful as you know as I can get it, because you know I'm a neutral person. So first thing I went in was silent mode, right? I did that in the inner corner, inner half of my eye, and I'm going in with peace out in the other half. I'm going for a a duo look on one eye. So that's the purple and the blue. I'm blending it in, trying to get it look nice. I was having some problems with it, so I pulled out my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder number 4 to help me blend out the edges, because there's nothing brown in this eyeshadow palette, and it did okay. So then after I finished blending it out, which I'm still doing, I went in with Not Today in my outer V to darken it up a little bit. Let me let this catch up. All right, here we go. So yeah, we're darkening it out with Not Today. That's a deeper purple. So that's what we're doing. We're doing that and making sure the outer V is formed like I want it to be formed. Now I'm going into this purple called Off the Grid, spraying it so that it'll adhere a little better. So I'm doing that on the outer, like the middle part of my eye. That's the color I'm using there, blending it. Bristles keep coming off these brushes. That's what you see me doing. And this time is meat. This one is me time. That's the little blue that's going in the inner part of my eye. It's working good. It's just, I'm not really good with color. So now I am using the Loreal telescopic. Yeah, this is getting thrown away. It's hard to put it back in. It's so flimsy. But that's the telescopic mascara. Now I'm going on my bottom lash line with with Peace Out and Silent Mode, just to try to bring the look together. Oh, and I'm also using Personal Space, which is that deeper blue. So, and in my inner corner, I'm using Getting Lost. And it's coming together, but yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not really liking it. So I went out, and when I got back home, I was like, oh, I'm taking this off. So that's why we're getting into the second look. Now in this look, okay, I took the makeup off and I'm putting on my primer. I'm using the Pat McGrath primer. So I'm putting that on. And now we're going into Peace Out. I'm using that same purple all throughout my crease, in that color only for both eyes. And then I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown again, just to, blend it out a little better. See right there, I'm blending it out with the Bobbi Brown. I just always feel like I need some type of brown to make sure my look looks okay. So that's what I am using. Then I'm going to go on the lid. The lid color is going to be this darker maroonish color called Don't Bother. Oh, I'm still blending. Still getting those fibers off my face. It is very annoying. Okay, I'm still blending. Pulling off those bristles that are coming out on the brushes. Oh, I forgot my outer V. My outer V, I'm going in Not Today. That's a darker purple. That darkest purple. Oh, getting these bristles off. Ugh. And then, okay, yeah, that's Not Today in my outer V. So I'm doing that. I forgot about that. And once that's done on my outer part of my lid, I'm going to be using Don't Bother, which is a darker purple. Doing good. So I also am still spraying the brush beforehand. So that's that one. What's that again? Don't Bother. And then on the inner part of the eye, I am using Off the Road, the same color I used in my first look. So this is just going to be a all purple look. So I'm just making sure that gets in there nice and good. And I'm going in in my inner part of my eye with a piece out just to brighten it up. But it's in my inner corner, but I'm also bringing it up, bringing it up so that my eyes would look a little bit open. Taking it on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using Not Today down there as well. So that's working out pretty good. Yeah, making sure my outer V is good. I just use a brush and just brush away the issues, making sure everything's good. I'm feeling good about this. I feel a lot better. And that's just a piece out. I'm just going in. Now I'm using the MAC micro brush to do my lashes, because in both of these looks I did not use any false lashes. But yeah, I'm happy with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the video.